Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system requirements and acquiring the installer. Download the 64-bit Windows executable and run it as administrator. This avoids permission issues. Make sure to check Add Python to path on the first installer screen so the Python command works in PowerShell and command prompt. Once done, choose Install Now for a straightforward setup or customize if you need PyM-style locations. You'll see progress. Wait for the setup to finish and click Close when the installer reports success. Now you verify and configure the environment. Open PowerShell and run Python version and pip version to confirm installation. This tells you the interpreter and package tool are reachable. Next, create a virtual environment with Python env and activate it so dependencies stay project scoped. Once activated, upgrade packaging tools with Python pip, install upgrade pip setup tools wheel. Doing this prevents install errors later and ensures you can install binary wheels efficiently. Finish by running and packaging your work. Execute scripts with Python script, Py or run modules with Python module. When ready to share, generate requirements via pip freeze requirements. TXT so others recreate your env. If something fails, start troubleshooting. First, confirm path in which Python is running, then try Python pip install upgrade pip to fix installer issues. If persistent, rerun the installer and choose repair or uninstall and reinstall. Only use the Windows Store version if you accept its sandboxed behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.